Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Also, please click the all notification bell. The investment portfolio balance as of October the 20th, 2023 is $4,811. Here's the updated cost basis. I just learned I didn't calculate the cost basis properly. That's part of the learning process. The cost basis is the total amount invested. As of October 20th, 2023, the cost basis is $6,169. There's been an overall decrease in value of $1,358. Let's look at the one-year return and asset allocation information. It states your one-year return is 35.73% compared to the S&P 500 index return of 21.62%. The current asset allocation is 56% domestic stocks, 5% foreign stock, 39% bonds. And the current asset allocation represents growth with income mix. Here are the current top 10 holdings of the portfolio. We see at the top is FTRNX, Next, Citigroup Inc., 21st Century Fox Corporate Bond, NVIDIA, FXAIX, Target, Kroger, 3M, Starbucks, and Discovery. Let's study some of my recently purchased stocks. C3AI symbol AI, as of October 20th, 2023, is priced at $24.31. C3AI has partnerships with Microsoft, Google, and Shell plc. Here's some of the recent information regarding the company. You can see the 52-week low and high. Here's the profile of C3AI. C3AI Incorporated operates an enterprise artificial intelligence software company in North America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, the Asia Pacific, and internationally. It offers integrated turnkey enterprise AI applications for oil and gas, chemicals, utilities, manufacturing, financial services, defense, intelligence, aerospace, healthcare, and telecommunications. It has strategic partnerships with Baker Hughes in the areas of oil and gas market, Booz Allen to provide solutions to government, defense, and intelligence sectors, also partnerships with Google and Microsoft. Here's a September 2022 article from Motley Fool. Amazon, Microsoft, and Alphabet have partnered with this AI company. They're talking about C3AI. Is it a buy? You can check out this article for yourself. I'll read the key points. C3AI is blazing a trail in an industry it helped to establish. The company has attracted some of the largest organizations in the world as both customers and partners. C3AI's growth might be slow this fiscal year due to economic challenges, but it's eyeing a $596 billion opportunity by 2025. And we see more information about the partnership with C3AI and Google Cloud. It is a 3-year agreement. We also see this article that was in Benzinga, C3AI and Shell partnership. Here's another article by Newswires. You're welcome to check out this YouTube video that talked about it. The title of the YouTube video is Google Cloud and C3AI Create an Industry First Alliance to Accelerate Enterprise AI. Here's another YouTube video, Discovery Hughes C3 AI and Microsoft partnership, and another article that I saw on CNBC, Microsoft purchased C3 AI stock. This is pretty interesting. Microsoft doubles its money after backing C3 AI as it goes public. And that's dated in 2020. Microsoft has seen a gain in the value of its investment in artificial intelligence software company C3 AI. Microsoft sunk money into C3 AI right as it was going public, following a strategy Salesforce has repeatedly employed. C3 AI formed a partnership with Microsoft in 2018 as the two companies agreed to sell C3 AI's software running on Microsoft Azure Cloud. I was looking at this article in Fintel, and I really wanted to know specifically, here's my question. What companies own C3 AI and what information is available regarding institutional ownership? So I did a Google search on that, what companies own C3 AI. You can see the Google search, and this is what I came up with, this Fintel website information. And it says the largest shareholders include Vanguard Group, BlackRock, Baker Hughes Holdings, LLC, Susquehanna International Group, VTSMX, Vanguard Total Stock Index, Fund Investor Shares, Jane Street Group, Vanguard Small Cap Index Fund Investor Shares, and Susquehanna International. So if you didn't want to specifically buy the individual company, you could look into these mutual funds. I'm going to scroll here, and here's some information about the institutional ownership. Let's look. We're going to move away from C3 AI. You can do some more research on your own. Let's move on to PDD Holdings. I had did a previous video that stated that PDD Holdings owns Temu. And here's some information about the stock. I found this on the Fidelity platform. One thing that I learned about PDD Holdings is it moved from China to Ireland. So here's an article, and it says PDD Holdings is now based in Dublin, Ireland. If you decide to buy PDD Holdings, here's something that was in the news. This article is dated September 28, 2023. Lowy Dannenberg PC investigates PDD Holdings, Inc. is traded on the NASDAQ for potential violations of security laws and encourages investors with more than $100,000 in losses to contact the firm. A prominent law firm is investigating potential violations of securities laws on behalf of shareholders. The Grizzly Research Report alleges, among other things, that PDD's popular shopping app, Temu, is the most dangerous malware spyware package currently in widespread circulation. I was watching this video, and this gentleman said, if something is a very low price, which is very typical on Temu, it's not the product for, okay, let me give an example. Let's just say you find a wedding dress for $20 on Temu. I'm not saying that that is happening. I'm giving an example. The reason that they're selling it so cheap is because they're not interested in the product that they're selling to you. In fact, the product is you, the consumer. They don't care about the wedding dress. What they care about is getting the consumer's information and reselling it. So that's the best example I could give. Now let's move on to the real estate watch list. Here's some of my recent purchases. You can see that I purchased KE Holdings, and here's some information about that company. Through its subsidiary, it engages in operating an integrated online and offline platform for housing transactions and services in the People's Republic of China. I'm trying to capture both real estate and international. I also purchased some Health Peak, And Healthpeak is a fully integrated real estate investment trust, REIT, and S&P 500 company. Focuses on aging population and the desire for improved health. All right, so the next real estate company that I purchased was American Tower Corporation. American Tower, one of the largest global REITs, is a leading independent owner, operator, and developer of multi-tenant communication real estate with a portfolio of nearly 226,000 communication sites. The next topic is recent stock and mutual fund purchases and the Magnificent Seven. Two mutual funds I frequently purchase, Fidelity Trend Fund and Fidelity 500 Index Fund, were greatly influenced by the Magnificent Seven in 2023. And you may ask, what is the Magnificent Seven? And I'm going to answer the question for you. Here are the stock companies that are considered the Magnificent Seven. They're considered standout businesses. Here's the companies: Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla, and Meta Platforms. The source is NASDAQ. 3 Magnificent Seven stocks billionaires are buying hand over, I guess it's hand over fist. It's dated August 31st, 2023, so you have to consider the timing of the article. Here are my recent purchases. Fidelity 500 Index, Target, PDD Holdings, Mondelez, Moderna, KE Holdings, Healthpeak Properties. I bought some more of Healthpeak Properties, GlaxoSmithKline, Fidelity Trend Fund, Fidelity Blue Chip, Fidelity Contraband, Fidelity 500 Index, Fidelity Freedom Index 2060, Fidelity Freedom Index 2050. I invested $260. So let's go on and look at the rest of the stuff. I got a dividend from GlaxoSmithKline, another fee from its LPL, 15 cents. I bought the C3AI at around $10. I bought more, actually, no, that's a dividend from KE Holdings, and then that cash contribution. So the total amount invested this month was $260. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, enjoy the journey.